Welcome to your morning glow yoga practice. This will be a quick 15-minute yoga practice to open up your full body and get some mindful movement in so you can glow and feel your best for the rest of your day. Never underestimate the power of just a few moments with yourself in the morning, breathing, moving, and centering your mind and body. So whenever you're ready, let's get started. We'll start this class on hands and knees, starting with some cat-cows to open up the spine. So as you breathe in, open up the chest. As you exhale, round through the spine. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, round the spine. Just opening up here. Inhale, open. Exhale, round through the spine. Take a few more here. And then coming back to the center, bring your right leg out behind you, lifting it up. Inhale, bring your knee to your chest. Exhale, extend the leg back. Inhale, knee to chest. Exhale, extend back. And we'll do 3 more here. 1, 2, really engaging through the core. 3. And come back to the center. We'll take those to the other side. So extend the left leg out behind you. Inhale, crunching knee to nose. For 2. For 3. 4. Moving mindfully here. 5. And 6. Now bring that knee back down. And extend the right leg out beside you in line with your hips. And begin to move your hips back and forth. Really stretching out through the side of the leg here. Opening up the hips. And now come up and slide your right hand down your right leg as you bring your left arm up and over for a deep side body stretch through the left side. Now come back to the center and we'll take that same stretch to the other side. So extend the left leg out beside you. Shifting your hips back and forth, stretching out through the leg here. And then we'll slowly come up and slide the left hand down your left leg. Reach the right arm up and over for a deep side body stretch on the right side. Come back to the center and begin to take some arm circles. So moving the right arm up, over and around. Breathing as you move. Now we'll take our circles to the other side, moving the left arm up, over, and around. Breathing in and out. Opening up the shoulders here. Nice. With your toes tucked, you can either stay with your hands on the mat for a lighter stretch, or bring your hands on top of your thighs for a deeper toe stretch. And take a few breaths here. Inhale, bring your arms up overhead. Exhale into cactus arms. Inhale, bring your hands out in front of you. Exhale back into cactus. Inhale, rounding through the spine. Exhale back into cactus. And let's do that one more time. Inhale. Exhale into cactus arms, squeezing the shoulders. Opening through the chest. Exhale, come back down and begin to circle your ankles in one direction and then the other. Just getting some blood flow back to your feet. Begin to tap the tops of your feet on the mat. And now slide your arms forward and your hips come up and back for puppy pose. Breathing here as you relax your chest towards the mat, resting your chin on the mat or your forehead. Breathe into the shoulders here. And breathe into the side body. On your next inhale, gently come back up and move into downward facing dog. Strong through the shoulders and the legs here. Take a breath or two here. And now step your right foot out beside you. Right arm comes up for a high lunge twist. Exhale to come back down and shift your hips back and fold over your right leg for half splits. Really feeling that deep stretch in the right hamstrings. Breathe into it. Inhale now to come back up and bring both hands inside of your right foot for lizard pose. And you can either stay on your hands here or come down onto your forearms for a deeper stretch. Breathing here. Inhale to slowly come back up. Bring your right knee back to meet the left. And come up and back into downward facing dog. Taking a breath here. And this time, bring the left foot up for a high lunge twist on the left side. Left arm comes up. Exhale. Shift your hips back and take half splits on the other side, folding over the left leg. You can keep a bend in the knee if you need that here. Breathing into the hamstrings. And now move into lizard pose on this side, so bring both hands inside of the left foot and either staying on the hands here or moving onto your forearms for a deeper stretch. Breathe into the hips here. Really feeling the stretch in the left leg. Inhale to gently come back up and bring the left knee to meet the right. And now move back into a yogi squat. Feet firmly planted on the ground and knees come out beside you. You can either keep your hands on the mat for some support or bring your hands to heart center. Breathing here. And now bring the right arm out in front of you. Extend the left arm up and over for a side body stretch. Inhale, come back to the center and take that same stretch on the other side. Right arm comes up and over for a side body stretch. Gently come back to the center and bring your hips down onto the mat. Extend both legs out in front of you. Bend the right knee. Bring the right foot up and over the left leg, wrapping the left arm around the right knee, opening up towards the right side. Lengthen through the spine here and breathe into your torso. Really massaging our inner organs here. This is amazing for digestion. And now come back to the center and bring your right knee on top of your left. Exhale, fold over your legs, crawling your fingers forward. And breathe into this forward fold. You'll feel this stretch along your right hip. Inhale to come up. And this time bend the left knee. Left foot comes up and over the right leg. Wrap the right arm around the left knee and open up towards the left. Back is straight here, breathing into your torso. As you exhale, twist a little deeper. Inhale to come back to the center. Left knee comes on top of the right. And begin to walk your fingers forward and fold over the legs here. You'll feel a deep hip stretch on the left side. Gently come back up. Bring both feet on the mat and drop both knees over to the right and then to the left. Once more on each side. Opening up through the hips here. Inhale to come back to center. And let's finish off this quick class by checking in with ourselves. How do we feel after this class? How does your body feel? How does your mind feel? Hopefully you feel more centered. When you're ready, bring your hands up to touch. Exhale, hands come down to heart center. Namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. And if you enjoyed today's class, please remember to leave me a comment down below how it went for you. And I'll see you again in the next class soon.